Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for joining me. So for the last few videos I have not been wearing any makeup because it's been super hot here in Michigan and I've just been kind of lazy and I don't feel like putting any on, but that's beside the point. For today's video I have my review and thoughts on the Anastasia Dream Glow Kit, and I purchased this about a month ago right when it released, so I've been using it for about a month, and I want to give you guys my thoughts on whether or not I would recommend it or if I would say to skip it and get one of their other glow kits. So this is the outer sleeve and this is the glow kit itself. So this is what it looks like. It's a nice holographic kind of cardboard packaging, which I actually like the packaging. I know some people don't, but I think it's nice. So this is what it looks like. As I stated, it is kind of like a holographic outer packaging, and then on the inside you don't get a mirror, but you get 6 different highlighters here, and again they are more of a holographic kind of color scheme. And the one thing I will note about the 6-pan glow kits is that you cannot pop them out like you can with the 4-pans. So if that bothers you and if you wanted to travel with us or take one of these out or something, you cannot do that. I mean, you could pop them if you wanted, but there's really no it's not made where you can just interchange them. These, which is kind of inconvenient, so if you did want to take these with you, 1 or 2 with you traveling, you cannot do that. However, I do like the packaging, and there is no mirror as I stated, but none of the glow kits have a mirror, which I'm fine with. I don't really need a mirror with my highlighters, to be honest. But this is what it looks like, and you get 6 different shades. I'm holding it upside down. So you get 6 different shades. The first shade up here is Wish, then Unicorn, Magic, Ethereal, Sunshine, and Regal. And I'm trying to hold it where you guys can see it, but it's very reflective. And I'm not going to do any swatches in this video just because I feel like there's probably so many swatches of this already that I don't feel the need to swatch it. But if you just go on Trend Mood or something, I'm sure they have swatches of this already. So my thoughts on this is, if you're familiar with the Nicole Guerrero glow kits, it's basically the same formula as those. And it's not to say I'm not a fan of those, but I've noticed with the 6-pan highlighters is that these are a little bit different than the 4-pans. The 6-pans are, I feel like, a little bit more chunkier. I don't even want to say chunkier, but they're more chunkier than the 4-pans, where the 4-pans are really smooth and they just glide onto the skin so effortlessly. With this one, I feel like you kind of have to work with a little bit more, and I'm not sure if it's the shades that are in the palette that's making it kind of a little bit harder to work with, which I don't even want to say it's hard to work with, but I just feel like it's not as smooth as the 4-pan palettes. And I will say I have noticed a little bit of fallout, or a lot of fallout on the outer packaging, and you get kind of glitter. I don't know, it's just chunky a little bit, which I don't really mind if it's going to give me a nice, highlighter look, but, and I want to say once you have it on the skin that it's really glittery. There's a few shades in this palette that are a little glittery, but, you can just blend the glitter away, so it's not bad. And I don't even really mind glitter, but I don't know, if I would have known it would have been as glittery as it is, I don't know if I would have purchased it, to be honest. I don't think it's a bad palette. I think it's up to ABH's quality, but I just feel like the 4-pans are better. So I would say if you're thinking of getting this and you've never tried ABH highlighters before, I would almost say go for a 4-pan. The one that I would recommend is the Sun Dip glow kit. I mean, I know any of the 4-pan glow kits are amazing. I know you're not going to get the same, colors as you would in the Dream Glow Kit, but I just want to show you guys what I mean by smoother consistency. So this is the Sun Dip Glow Kit, and as you can see just in the pan, they are smooth looking, where in the Dream Glow Kit, you can just tell that they're going to be chunky. See what I mean? I don't know, the camera picking that up. I don't know, there's just something about the Dream Glow Kits or the 6-pan highlighters in general that are a little bit more chunky in consistency. And it's not that I don't like them. I like them fine. It's just like they're not the same formula as the glow kit or the 4-pan glow kits. So I don't know. I mean, I think it's one of those things where you kind of have to make that decision for yourself as to whether or not you would get it. But for me, I like this. I'm going to continue using it. But if I was just getting into ABH highlighters, I don't know that I would repurchase any more of the glow kits had I tried this one first, opposed to trying the 4-pan one. So those are just some of my thoughts on the Dream glow kits and the whole, 6-pan glow kits in general. I like them. I'm still gonna purchase them because I, love ABH. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and I'm sorry I did not swatch any of the shades in this video. I just feel like this would be a little bit redundant for me to, swatch, the shades when it's already been done so many times. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and thank you for bearing with me with no makeup. I really do appreciate it. And please take a moment and subscribe if you have not done so already, and I will talk to you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.